present simple. Ask to describe habits, facts, or general traits. Positive formula. Subject plus verb 1. Example, I have breakfast. Negative formula. Subjects plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example, I don't have breakfast. Interrogative formula. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1. Example, do you have breakfast? 2. Present continuous. Ask to describe action that are happening now. Positive formula. Subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing. Example, I am eating now. Negative formula. Subject plus am or is or are plus not plus verb ing. Example, I am not eating now. Interrogative formula. Am or is or are plus subject plus verb ing. Example, are you eating now? 3. Present perfect. Ask to describe action that began in the past and continue until now. Positive formula. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Example, I have eaten. Negative formula. Subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. Example, I have eaten yet. Interrogative formula. Have or has plus subject plus verb 3. Example, have you eaten yet? 4. Present perfect continuous. Ask to describe action that started in the past and continue up to the present considering duration. Formula positive. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. Example, I have been eating. Negative formula. Subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing. Example, I haven't eaten. Interrogative formula. Have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example, have you eaten? 5. Past simple. Ask to describe complete action in the past. Positive formula. Subject plus verb 2. Example, I ate yesterday. Negative formula. Subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. Example, I didn't eat yesterday. Interrogative formula. Did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, did you eat yesterday? 6. Past continuous. Ask to describe action that were occurring at a certain time in the past. Formula positive. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Example, I am eating. Formula negative. Subject plus was plus were plus not plus verb ing. Example, I am not eating. Interrogative formula. Was or were plus subject plus verb ing. Example, are you eating? 7. Past perfect. Ask to describe an action that occurred before another action in the past. Positive formula. Subject plus had plus verb 3. Example, I have eaten. Formula negative. Subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. Example, I have eaten yet. Interrogative formula. Had plus subject plus verb 3. Example, have you eaten? 8. Past perfect continuous. Ask to describe action that started before another action in the past and continue until that action. Positive formula. Subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Example, I have been eating. Negative formula. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. Example, I hadn't eaten. Interrogative formula. Had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example, have you eaten? 9. Future simple. Ask to describe action that will happen in the future. Positive formula. Subject plus will plus verb 1. Example, I will eat. Negative formula. Subject plus will plus not plus verb 1. Example, I won't eat. Interrogative formula. Will plus subject plus verb 1. Example, will you eat? 10. Future continuous. As to describe an action that will occur at specific time in the future. Positive formula. Subject plus will plus be plus verb in. Example, I will eat. Negative formula. Subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb in. Example, I will not eat. Interrogative formula. Will plus subject plus be plus verb in. Example, will you eat? 11. Future perfect. As to describe an action that will be complete at specific time in the future. Positive formula. Subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. Example, I will have eaten. Negative formula. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3. Example, I will not have eaten. Interrogative formula. Will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Example, will you have eaten? 12. Future perfect continuous. As to describe action that will continue until specific time in the future. Positive formula. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb in. Example, I will have been eating. Negative formula. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb in. Example, I won't have been eating. Interrogative formula. Will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb in. Example, will you have been eating? 13. Past future. As to describe a planned or predicted action in the past. Positive formula. Subject plus word plus verb in. Example, I will eat. Negative formula. Subject plus word plus not plus verb 1. Example, I will eat. Interrogative formula. Will plus subject plus verb 1. Example, will you eat? One. Noun. A word that refers to a person, place, thing, or idea. Example, the book is on the table. 2. Verb. A word that expresses action or a state of being. Example, she will run in the marathon tomorrow. 3. Adjective. A word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Example, the happy couple got married yesterday. 4. Adverb. A word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Example, she sings beautifully in the church. 5. Pronoun. A word that takes the place of a noun in the sentences. Example, he is my best friend. 6. Preposition. A word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other word in a sentence. Example, the book is on the table. 6. Preposition. A word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other word in a sentence. Example, the book is on the table. 7. Conjunction. A word that connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Example, I like reading books and watching movies. 8. Interjection. A word that expresses emotion or feeling. Example, oh, I forgot my phone at home. 9. Article. A word that modifies a noun by indicating whenever it is specific or general. Example, I read the book yesterday.